As you all know, that marketing is always a connection which you keep with your audience. So always the marketing is done with the help of audience, and we always connect with the right people at the right time and at the right place. But today we'll study about digital marketing. So in digital marketing, the difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing is only that in this case the marketing is done with the help of advanced technologies. So the advanced technologies can consist of different websites, social medias, YouTube videos, or banners. Now we'll study about the different channels which are going to help us to do the digital marketing. Now, if we want to promote our product in the market digitally, then how are you going to promote it? And how the channels are going to help you to promote your business online, we'll be studying in this particular video. So there are mainly 6 channels which are going to help us to do digital marketing. So the very first channel is SEO, that is search engine optimization. So the search engine optimization is the process of boosting the content and technical setup on the website so that it appears at the top of the search engine result for the specific keyword. And it also attracts the visitors to your website when they search for the product or services related to your businesses. Means if you enter any keyword in the search bar, at that time that keyword is matched by the search engine optimization, and all the content whichever is present in the world wide web is presented by the search engine optimization. The work of search engine optimization is also to attract the visitor to a specific website. If your website will be at the top, definitely the visitors will be attracted to your toppest website. So to give ranking to the website is also a work done by the search engine optimization. But this work is done by matching the keyword which you enter in that particular bar. Next type of channel is mobile marketing. So mobile marketing means a marketing which can be done with the help of your mobile phone. So in this case, the activities like SMS, MMS, or any type of marketing messages which you get in your mobile will be considered in the case of mobile marketing. Many times you see that you get an message regarding the different schemes which are going in your area, or if there are some offers which will be in the nearby shopping malls, or any recharge offer. So these are all different marketings. You get the messages of loans. So any type of marketing which is done in the form of SMS or MMS will be considered as mobile marketing. Now we'll study about email marketing. So the email marketing consists of the marketing which is done with the help of email. So if you receive any email, you get so many mails in your email box that there is some festival, Diwali festival, so you have so and so percent off on your purchase, you have so and so discounts. If there is any type of event like on 26th of January, 15th of August. So there are so many different festivals or New Year's, Christmas. So on those particular days, the you get a particular email on your inbox in your inbox by the particular company or by the particular website. Okay, so I hope that you all are aware of this email marketing, because if you go in any shopping mall, they ask you for the details. So whenever you enter your name, your birth date, your anniversary, or your email ID, you get a email from them, particularly on your birthday, on your anniversary, with a promo code with some discounts. So this type of marketing is considered as email marketing, in which you get an email to promote the content, like you get some discounts by the popular websites which you use. So next is paid search. So paid search is also called as pay per click. So this is a type of marketing in which you pay for each and every click which a user is going to do on your particular website. So all the websites, when you search any particular keyword, you can see that you get n numbers of website in the ranking. But if a website is having any ad or sponsored written at the corner, then you can recognize that this particular website is a paid search website or pay per click advertising website. So PPC ads are visible, flexible and effective for many different types of organization. So with paid search, you only pay when your ads to appear. The specific search phrases are entered and targeting them to a particular audience. So only and only if the audience go on your website and they click on your website, at that time your website owner will be paying to the Google search engine. So the work of paid per search is that within a short period of time you can earn a good view in a short period of time if your particular website is new in the marketing. Next is content marketing. As you know, the content is very important in some of the cases. So you can also say that a content is a king. So any type of content, if it is having a good quality, then it works as a fuel. Okay. So, content marketing denotes the promotion of content assets in general, generate brand awareness, lead generation, traffic growth, and customers. So whenever if you want any particular, you go and visit any particular site, you see the content in the site. If you go in a particular, you go on YouTube, you start the video, you see the content, you see the explanation of that particular person, and then you feel like listening to him. So, if the content is good in a particular website, in a particular video, in blogs, or in ebook, if you go to purchase some book of one, means if you are searching for Gita, you can see that various writers has written Gita. So you see all the books and you select one among them. All the books are having the same knowledge, but the content, the way of presenting that knowledge is the different. So because of that, content marketing is going to play an important role in the case of ebooks, in the case of videos, blogs, and websites. Now we'll see about social media marketing. So social media marketing consists of the marketing which is done basically on the social media channels. So the channels like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook are the different social media where you can see the marketing is ongoing. There are so many marketing ads which are promoted on social media. All the brand awareness can be seen and you can get a lot of audience traffic on the social media because nowadays people spend a lot of time on social media. So a social media marketing is the media platform and to promote the website, to promote your product and to promote your services. So you can also collect a lot of audience traffic to build your brand and to increase your sales. So there are so many major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube and Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel.